But let's move from Eurozone politics to events we have next week. So this is the preview for the week beginning on Monday, April 4th, ending on April 8th. Springtime on Monday, we don't have any, we have quite a few events, but nothing that really stands out. We'll have more echoes from the non-farm payrolls. Monday is usually a slow day in terms of indicators. On Tuesday, we have quite a few events. We have a rate decision in Australia. They're expected not to rock the boat. The Australian economy looks okay. China doesn't look like a disaster. So steady she goes. UK services PMI, this is the third one. We also have the construction PMI on Monday, but the services PMI, the biggest, most important sector, always moves the pound. The same services PMI, we have it from the United States, usually serves as a hint for the NFP, like the manufacturing one. This time it doesn't, but the fact that it comes out on Tuesday, it has some space of its own. It will certainly move markets, okay? On Wednesday, we have the Fed meeting minutes. We'll see if they're really that dovish. Well, we already know from Yellen's speech that at least she is very, very dovish, but it always moves markets. Well, not always, sorry, but in many cases moves markets. It might be considered stale if we have a big surprise to the upside or the downside on the NFP, because the meeting of the Fed was a long time before. But remember, the meeting minutes are always revised, edited, redacted until the very last moment. On Thursday, we have some events, but nothing that really stands out. And on Friday, the Canadian jobs report, another opportunity, another make or break moment for the Canadian dollar. Okay, so clearly we have less, it's not as busy as week as this one. We still have the Fed meeting minutes, ISM manufacturing PMI, and markets are on the move. So I think it's quite interesting. We'll see if the dovish tone that Yellen said continues echoing in markets with the Fed meeting minutes, and in general, if we see the dollar remain weak or not. Okay, so that's a long show for today. It's NFP day. I do call you once again to join our live coverage beginning at 12 GMT. Wish everybody a safe and successful day in the markets with the non-farm payrolls, and see you on Monday as usual. So that's it. Thank you and bye-bye.